Australia is a land of sunshine, deserts, forests, and parrots. From the lush rainforests of the north to the arid red heart of the Outback, parrots have made every corner of this vast continent their home. These birds are everywhere. Their colourful wings and cheerful squawks a constant part of the landscape. Whether you're in a bustling city or deep in the bush, you're never far from the flash of bright feathers or the sound of their calls. Parrots are as iconic as kangaroos and koalas, a living symbol of Australia's wild spirit. Their presence is woven into the fabric of daily life, from city parks to remote wilderness. They're not just beautiful, they're smart, social, and incredibly diverse. Parrots form complex flocks, communicate with a range of calls, and even solve problems together. Australia is home to about 1/6 of the world's parrot species, including the cheeky Rainbow Lorikeet and majestic Sulphur-crested Cockatoo. Each species has its own unique personality and role in the ecosystem. Their presence enriches the environment, making them vital to the Australian story. Parrots help pollinate flowers, spread seeds, and maintain the delicate balance of nature. For many, the call of a Galah at dawn is the sound of home. It's a daily reminder of the wild beauty that surrounds us. Flocks of Budgerigars swirling over the Outback are a breathtaking sight, painting the sky with vibrant green and gold. Parrots have found their way into our art, stories, and hearts. Their images appear in Aboriginal rock paintings, children's books, and even on postage stamps. Understanding these birds, how they live and the challenges they face, helps us appreciate their resilience and importance. Their survival is closely linked to the health of Australia's unique habitats. In this journey, we'll explore why Australia became a parrot paradise, meet famous species, and uncover their fascinating behaviours. We'll discover how these birds have adapted to thrive in some of the world's harshest environments. We'll also look at their crucial roles in the environment and the threats they face, from habitat loss to climate change and introduced predators. Most importantly, we'll see why protecting these feathered jewels matters for generations to come, ensuring that Australia remains a true parrot paradise for the future. Why does Australia have so many parrots? What makes this land such a haven for these vibrant, intelligent birds? The answer lies deep in its ancient past, stretching back millions of years to a time when the world looked very different. Australia's long isolation after breaking away from the supercontinent Gondwana created a unique environment, cut off from the rest of the world. Parrots were among the first modern birds to evolve, with fossil evidence suggesting their earliest origins right here on this continent. Free from competition with other bird groups, parrots adapted to fill many ecological niches, evolving a remarkable diversity of beaks and diets to suit their surroundings. Australia's varied landscapes, from arid deserts to lush rainforests and sprawling woodlands, offered countless habitats for new species to thrive and diversify. Native plants like eucalypts and banksias played a crucial role in shaping parrot evolution, providing tough nuts, seeds, and sweet nectar as food sources. Parrots, in turn, helped pollinate flowers and spread seeds across the land, a perfect example of co-evolution between birds and plants. This ancient partnership shaped not only the birds themselves, but also the forests and ecosystems they call home. When we see a flock of parrots today, we're witnessing a living legacy, millions of years of evolution and adaptation in motion. Their incredible diversity is a testament to Australia's unique natural history and the power of evolution in shaping life. This is truly the land of parrots, a place where their evolutionary journey continues to unfold and where their story is still being written today. Australia dazzles with its parrot species, each with unique charm. The Rainbow Lorikeet is a living rainbow, common along the east coast, feeding on nectar with a brush-tipped tongue. Galahs, with their pink chests and playful antics, are a classic sight in open grasslands. Budgerigars, or budgies, form massive swirling flocks in the Outback, perfectly camouflaged in green and yellow. The budgie is also a global pet, bred in many colours. The king parrot, with its scarlet and green plumage, prefers the cool forests of eastern Australia. Males are brilliantly coloured, females are more subdued for camouflage. These species, from noisy lorikeets to gentle king parrots, showcase the diversity and beauty of Australia's parrots. Each is a symbol of the wild places they call home. Cockatoos are among Australia's most charismatic and intelligent parrots. The Sulphur-crested Cockatoo, with its yellow crest, is famous for cleverness and sometimes mischief. Major Mitchell's Cockatoo, with its pink and white plumage, is considered the most beautiful, but is more reserved and vulnerable to habitat loss. Corellas, smaller relatives, form huge, noisy flocks and are known for playful antics. Their intelligence is remarkable. Urban cockatoos have even learned to open wheelie bins for food. Cockatoos and corellas have complex social lives and strong pair bonds. Their adaptability and problem-solving skills make them fascinating to watch. However, their need for old trees for nesting makes them sensitive to habitat changes. These birds are a testament to the intelligence and spirit of Australia's wildlife. Australian parrots are rarely alone. They thrive in flocks. Flock life offers safety from predators and helps birds find food. Many species form lifelong pair bonds, working together to raise chicks in tree hollows. Affectionate behaviours like preening and beak touching strengthen these bonds. Social learning is key. Young parrots watch and copy older birds, learning what to eat and how to survive. Some species, like sulphur-crested cockatoos, even pass on new skills, like opening bins, through the flock. Play is vital for mental stimulation and skill development. Parrots chase, hang upside down, and play with objects, building coordination and social ties. Corellas are especially famous for their playful antics. These social lives are at the heart of parrot intelligence and adaptability. The Australian bush is alive with parrot calls. Communication is essential for these social birds. Their voices echo through the trees, weaving a complex tapestry of sound that keeps flocks connected and alert to their surroundings. Each species has its own set of calls, warnings, food discoveries, and intimate pair bonding sounds. These vocalizations help parrots coordinate group movements, alert each other to danger, and strengthen social bonds within their communities. Parrots are remarkable vocal learners, developing regional dialects and even mimicking other sounds, including human speech. This ability to imitate and learn new calls is rare in the animal kingdom and highlights their intelligence. This skill helps them adapt and bond within flocks, allowing them to recognize each other and maintain group cohesion, even in large, noisy gatherings. Body language is just as important. Cockatoos raise their crests to signal excitement or alarm. These visual cues are instantly understood by other parrots, helping to avoid conflict or alerting the group to potential threats. Fluffing feathers, pinning eyes, and bowing heads all convey emotion and intent. These subtle gestures are part of a rich, silent language that complements their vocalizations. Parrots' diverse diets, seeds, nectar, fruit, and even insects, are matched by their specialized beaks and tongues. Their feeding habits are as varied as their calls, allowing them to thrive in many different habitats. Rainbow Lorikeets have brush-tipped tongues for nectar, while Galahs and Budgies crack seeds. Each adaptation is perfectly suited to their preferred foods, showing the incredible diversity within the parrot family. This dietary flexibility is a key to their success across Australia, enabling parrots to exploit a wide range of food sources and survive in changing environments. Communication and adaptability go hand in hand, making parrots masters of their environment. Their ability to learn, adjust, and cooperate ensures their place in the wild. Their voices and behaviours are a vital part of the Australian landscape, shaping the rhythm of the bush and adding colour to every dawn chorus. Parrots' ability to learn and adapt is central to their survival, ensuring that these vibrant birds continue to thrive in Australia's ever-changing world. Parrots are vital to Australia's ecosystems, acting as gardeners and pollinators. They disperse seeds by carrying and dropping them, helping forests regenerate. Nectar-eating parrots like lorikeets pollinate flowers as they feed, supporting plant reproduction. Many Australian plants have evolved to attract parrots, continuing an ancient partnership. Cockatoos prune trees as they feed, stimulating new growth and helping release seeds. Parrots are also a key food source for predators, linking plants and animals in the food web. Their abundance supports a wide range of species. The presence of parrots signals a healthy, balanced ecosystem. Their activities drive renewal and diversity in the Australian bush. Parrots are truly essential to the land's natural balance. Despite their adaptability, many Australian parrots face serious threats. Habitat loss from land clearing and development is the biggest danger, especially for species needing old trees for nesting. Climate change brings droughts, bushfires, and disrupts food supplies, putting extra stress on parrot populations. Invasive species like common miners and feral honeybees compete for nesting hollows, driving native parrots away. Disease, such as cytosine beak and feather disease, can devastate wild and captive populations. Conservationists are working to protect habitats, install nest boxes, and care for injured birds. Replanting native trees and preserving old-growth forests are crucial steps. Public awareness and responsible pet ownership also play a vital role. Protecting parrots means safeguarding Australia's natural heritage. Australian parrots are a living legacy of the continent's unique history. Their beauty, intelligence, and ecological roles enrich our lives and landscapes. Protecting them preserves not just birds, but the health and character of Australia itself. We can all help by planting native trees, avoiding pesticides, and supporting conservation efforts. Education is key. Learning and sharing knowledge builds a community that values these remarkable birds. Teaching the next generation to appreciate wildlife ensures parrots will fill our skies for years to come. The future of parrots depends on our collective action. Let's cherish their colours, listen to their calls, and protect their wild homes. By saving parrots, we safeguard a vital part of our identity and natural wonder. Let's ensure their joyful presence continues to define Australia.